It's healthy to make your bed every day, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Take the hem side and put it flat against the fitted sheet. Just pull all the way up to the top, and then take your quilt or your blanket. If you choose to have one, you can actually remove this layer altogether. Bring this all the way up to the top, so it's almost even with the flat sheet, but not all the way. And then fold this down. Fold your flat sheet down, and you see the beautiful hem detail. It doesn't even need to be tucked. And then take your duvet cover and flip it on top. Fold it in thirds, just like a hotel, or you could even just scrunch it down at the foot of the bed. And then your pillows, just use the pillows you actually sleep on. It's more practical and they're beautiful. 2 or 4, depending on your personal preference and sleeping style. And they can be just tossed up near the top of the head of the bed, or they can even be stacked up, just like that. And if you want something a little more decorative, you can simply take 2 quilted shams, and the bed's done, and that took maybe 30 seconds.